guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a winter get ready with me for you guys. I've never filmed a video like this before. I've done kind of makeup routines, some outfit videos, and some hair videos, but I've never done one like kind of all in one. I'm very excited about this video. I think it's going to be really fun. But before we get into it, I wanted to quickly touch on the subject of why I have not been uploading lately. But basically, I did get a job and it has been super crazy. I've been working a lot of hours and doing a lot of other stuff and not loving the fact that I can't film, and I've been missing it so much. So I set aside time. I had most of this week off, and so I set aside the time to film some videos for you guys. So there are going to be more videos coming soon, and like life happened, Christmas, New Year's, all that kind of stuff. Once I get the hang of all those things, I'm going to work YouTube in, because YouTube is so important to me and is one of the most important things to me of all time. I love it so much. So that being said, I want to get into this video. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and let's get into it. Really good. So I'm going to start off this makeup look with foundation. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Clean Matte in 505 Ivory. I love this foundation. It's super light and a lot more natural because it is a very thin consistency. It is for oil control. Really like it so far. It is not full coverage, just so you know, but I'm going to use it anyway because I really like it. I'm going to be using this Up and Up sponge. Sorry, it looks so disgusting, but I'm going to be using this, the bottom side of it, to blend out all of my foundation. So as you can see, it did give me a little bit of coverage, kind of made everything a little more blended and even, but it's not like a full coverage foundation. After that, I'm going to use some concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles Treatment Concealer, and mine is in Ivory, which is the lightest shade you can get. And then I just like to go in with this Real Technique sponge, using this front side here, just to make sure that I really got everything all blended out on my face. Okay, so now I'm going to set my whole entire face. I like to set the whole thing. I've talked about this a little bit on my channel, but that is what I like to do. So I'm going to be using this. This is the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. I love it. I got it at Walgreens for a really good price. It's like $8 or something like that. But I really like it. It does have a really strong smell. So I'm going to get some of this in the cap. And then on the bottom of this Real Techniques sponge, on the flat side, I'm going to bake my face. And I like to bake my whole entire face, just personal preference again. So I'm going to do that. So I just eyeshadow right now, I'm going to be using this. This is the e.l.f. Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in Brushed Copper. I'm just going to get a little bit on here and put this all over my eyes. Also, I am now going to brush off the baking that I have on my face with this brush. This is the BH Cosmetics 133 brush. I love it. It's so fluffy and nice. I'm just going to brush off all of my baking right now. Before I go in and finish up my eyeshadow, I'm going to do my brows really quick. I'm going to be using this. This is the e.l.f. Lock-In Liner and Brow Cream. And mine is in the color Espresso. I'm going to go in with this. This is the Real Techniques eyeliner brush. It's just a nice little angled brush, and fill in my brows for you guys. Now I go in with a pencil at the front of my brow. This is the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the color Blackest Brown. I'm just going to go in with the Essence Make Me Brow in the shade Honey Brows, and use this gel just right over my brows just to set everything. Okay, now I'm going to finish up my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette to finish this up, along with, this is the Wet n Wild Crease Brush. I'm going to go into this Carly Bible palette, and I'm going to use this shade here. And I'm just going to take this on my brush just so lightly, and I'm going to put it in the outer corner and in the crease of my eye. To finish off the eye look, I'm going to do some eyeliner. And this is the NYX Epic Ink pink liner in black. I'm going to put on my liner and then I will be right back. Okay, I put the liner on. I just did a thin liner across my lid with no wing because I can't do wings yet. So that's what it looks like. I'm very happy with it. Now I'm going to finish my face makeup. So I'm going to bronze my face with this. This is the e.l.f. bronzer palette. I love this palette so much. It has 2 shimmers and 2 mattes, and I love it. So I'm going to start with contour. I'm going to use this bottom shade right here for today's, and I'm going to be using this Real Techniques Multitask face brush. And then I am going to take this. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the color Party. And this is the only non-drugstore thing that I'm going to use, but it's such a pretty natural blush, just super light and pretty. So I'm going to use this on my face today. With this is the BH Cosmetics 134. Then I'm going to highlight my face. I'm going to be using the Carly Bible palette again. They have 6 different highlight shades. So I'm going to use the gold one and the white one. So for the gold one, I'm going to be using this brush. This is the BH Cosmetics 140 brush. And then just to lighten up, give it more of a snowy kind of effect, I use this white one. And I'm going to set my face with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. And then I'm going to go in with mascara. This is the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara. Look how pretty this packaging is. It is gorgeous. I love it. I'm going to go in with this mascara. It's super pretty and is really nice. So I'm going to use this one. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I just put this on my lower lashes because it just gets on my lower lashes really well. So I'm just going to... And that is the completed makeup look. My hair, I straightened it yesterday, so I think I'm gonna leave it straight and down for today. And then I might like fix up a couple pieces if I need to, but it actually looks really good, so I think I'm gonna leave it straight the way that it is. There's a couple pieces that kind of need a little bit of help, so I'm probably gonna fix those up. But now I'm going to go change into my outfit and then I'll show you guys my outfit. Okay, I have my outfit on, so I'm going to switch to the clip and show you guys what I'm wearing. Okay guys, I am filming on my vlog camera for this clip so I can show you guys my outfit for today. Ignore the mess in the background. But for today, I am going to be wearing this red flannel. It's big and oversized, kind of cropped kind of flannel. I got it from a thrift store. I really like it. There's Delaware. So that is the shirt that I'm wearing, and then this is a Forever 21 cami that I have on under this. I have on some Walmart dark blue jeans, and then for shoes I'm going to be wearing some high tops. But this is my outfit along with my hair and my makeup, and just a really cute, easy, kind of comfortable outfit that's a really nice one. I really like this outfit. I love this flannel. You can also like tie it around your waist if you get hot, so it's like a really good kind of convertible outfit. But that's my outfit for this video, for my get ready with me. And yes, alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel down below. Make sure to go follow me on all of my social media because I keep you guys updated on everything that's happening in life for me lately, so make sure to go check that out because again, I just keep you guys updated on everything. And make sure to go follow me on my vlog channel because starting this year, which is January, Happy New Year everybody, it is 2018. If you guys are not already, make sure to go subscribe to my vlog channel because I'm going to be doing weekly vlogs over there that will be going up on Mondays at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So get ready for that. It's going to be awesome. That's going to be 3 videos a week from me. Once I get my main channel back under control and my vlog channel, that'll be 3 videos a week, which is going to be crazy. So, like I said, follow me on all my social media so you guys can keep updated on all of that kind of stuff and when that's all going to start up again. And I believe that is it. You guys are amazingly beautiful. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.